What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2012 Volkswagen Passat with 2.5 liter engine. I'm going to show you in this quick video what you need to do to fix your check engine light with the code P0491. It's gonna be your combination valve. I'll show you what it is and why it's showing that code. So let's get to the car and I'll show you how to fix that. Alright guys, here's my Passat. So if you have your check engine light and you scan the car and it's showing that you have P0491 secondary air injection system. So after checking for some air leaks and stuff from the air pump, your air pump gonna be right there, but it's not your problem. If you have also that code, you can check this plastic hoses that is going to the air pump. It can cause that problem too, so check that first. It's gonna be much easier, of course. And then if you try that and you don't have any air leak around these plastic hoses, you checked everything, then it's gonna be the problem will be this combination valve. So it's located right there. It's gonna take you a little bit of time to replace that. The actual part cost like $130, $135, but it's throwing that code because there is a lot of carbon buildup and maybe this valve just stuck, doesn't want to open or close. You can check that. You can put some power here and check and hear if it's opening or closing, but I decided I think I checked mine and won't do nothing, and that's why I decided to replace this thing. So I didn't want to record this whole process because it's all the way on the back and it's really nothing to show, and it's just 4 bolts right here. The bottom ones, 2 bottom ones, they 10 millimeters. It's really hard to reach, but if you move this cooling hose that going inside your heater core, just top one, you move this hose, like move it to the top, and then you can reach those bolts. So guys, that's it, and I hope it's gonna help someone to fix the car and save some money. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.